So one of the things that we do in math, especially with money, when you go to the store, a restaurant, anywhere you work, you are going to have to figure out change at some point. So change is, in English, that's a word that means how much money they give back to you. So here, if the cost of the items is $7.37 and I pay $10, that's too much. They have to give me some of that money back. To figure out how much they will give me back, I have to do a subtraction problem of $10 minus $7.37. Sometimes they will let you use a calculator for this, but I like to practice my subtraction. So if I had to do it on a piece of paper, I would have to come all the way over here to this one and borrow, because the zero, if I have zero, I cannot subtract 7. So $10, I would have to take this one and change this into a 10. Then I would have to borrow from the 10, make it a 9 to make this a 10. Then borrow again, make it a 9 and make this a 10. So now I have 10 minus 7 equals 3, 9 minus 3 equals 6, and 9 minus 7 equals 2, which gives me $2.63. So here's the next one. $10 minus $7.52. 2 is too big. I can't do 0 minus 2. So I would have to come all the way over to this 1, and I'm going to have to borrow it and change this to a 0. Now this number is 10, but I need this number to change. So I'm going to have to borrow again, change it to 9. I'm going to take 1 and move it over here. Now this number is 10, but I need to move it again. So I'm going to borrow 1 again, leave 9, and change this to 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. And that gives me $2.48. So that's all you're doing. You're doing that on this page and on this page. All that changes is now you're paying with a $20 bill. Except for Miss Drebeck forgot to bring 1 minus nothing is $15.52. You can always check these with a calculator, but you should try to do, and you don't have to borrow the same way Miss Drebeck did. If you learned a different way in your country, go ahead and show me the way that you learned how to do this. This is just doing subtraction. If I pay $20 and it only costs $4.48, they will give me back $15.52. So the next page, here are just some multiplication, division, addition, subtraction practice, some multiplication practice, and then we get to our favorite, long division. So remember, when you're doing long division, we're looking at this outside number and asking ourselves, how many 2's fit into 1? Well, that answer is 0. So that's why I did 10. How many 2's fit in 10? There are 5 groups of 2 in 10. I know because 2 times 5 is 10. So here are just some examples. So here I have 7. 7 times what is equal to or less than 4? Nothing. So I have to look at 47. 7 times 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 35. So what is 7 times 6? 7 times 6 is 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 142. So 42. So here would be 6 and down here would be 42. So this is practice with long division. So you should do these problems with long division and use your multiplication tables to help you. Okay, we'll keep looking at problems in our next video.